Underneath the Shapewear brand, co-founded by Kusha Kapila, has crossed 200 crore rupees in annual revenue in under 12 months. It has served more than 6.5 lakh customers and sold over 9 lakh units. And most people are crediting this to one single reason, that Kusha Kapila is famous. And famous people can sell anything. This sounds convincing on surface, but it is actually wrong. And today we'll understand exactly why. In today's video, we'll understand first what the usual playbook for a D2C launch in India looks like. Second, what Underneath did instead of that playbook. And third, why that one difference is the actual reason behind these numbers. My name is Anmol and I'll break down marketing strategies for you. If you look at how most D2C brands launch in India, especially in a crowded category like innerwear and shapewear, the playbook is fairly predictable. You build a teaser page, you put up a countdown, you seed the product to a bunch of influencers a week before launch, and on launch day, you push a discount to convert that attention into sales. Brands like Zivame, Clovia, and Shave have all largely grown through some version of this exact model. Ads, influencer seeding, and discounting. It works, but it is slow and it is expensive because you're always paying for the attention in the moment you need it. But here is the part almost nobody copies from Underneath. And this is where it actually gets interesting. Kusha did not start with a product at all. Back in December 2024, months before Underneath even existed, she started a series on Instagram called What Are You Wearing Under? There was no countdown, no teaser copy, nothing like that. It was just short, funny, honest videos about the actual slightly embarrassing problems Indian women have with their innerwear. Like fit that does not match Indian body type, fabrics that cannot handle Indian heat, no way to use the bathroom without fully undressing.
भगौड़ी कुशा वर्कआउट करते वक्त अंदर क्या पहनना है, ये कैसे वर्कआउट करे? Hello and welcome to episode 7 of What Are You Wearing Under?
Now on the surface this looks like just content, but this really was market research. She was not selling anything, she was simply naming a problem that millions of women already had but never heard someone saying it out loud. And by the time when there was an actual product to sell, the account already had over 1 lakh followers who felt like the brand understood them personally. So the question then is, does this actually change anything, or is it just a nicer way to market the exact same launch? For that, let's look at what happened next. Underneath launched on the 30th March of 2025, time to the first day of Navaratri, and it crossed 1,75,000 followers within a single day of launching. So think about what that means. Every other D2C brand is trying to convert a stranger into a customer on day one. Underneath launched into an audience that already spent months agreeing with the brand before the brand even had a product. And that is the actual mechanism behind the 200 crore number. It is not the celebrity name, it is the sequencing. Most brands build the product first and then try to manufacture trust for it afterward, through ads, influences, and discounts. Underneath built the trust first for months and only then introduced the product into a market that was already convinced. Even founder Vimash Rajan himself said that this category was undeserved for decades because of wrong assumptions about what women actually want. And the only way to correct that was actually listen before building. This is also why Underneath is now moving into offline retail, and they're doing it using actual purchase and sizing data from their existing customers rather than guessing. So now one thing is clear, that Underneath is not famous because Kusha Kapila is famous. It is that the audience you build before you sell anything is worth far more than the audience you buy after your launch. Most founders skip straight to the selling part because it feels faster. Underneath proved that the slower route was actually the faster one. That was it for today's video. If you found this useful, do hit the like button and subscribe for more such brand breakdowns. Also, please let me know in the comments what you think about this brand Underneath. That's it. Goodbye.